So you came to the bike, turn the key, press the start, and she behaves like this. It's time for a new battery. This is my 2007 BMW R1200 GS, and as you saw, the battery is totally dead. I was expecting this because the battery is the one that came with the bike. I have it since 2017, so it's 6 years now, and I don't even know when it was changed. So it's an old battery, and even if I have connected to the charger from time to time, I was expecting that she will die sooner than later. And it was the time. So let's change the battery and I will show you how to do it. In this bike, like in the most part of the bikes, the battery is located under the seat. So you need to remove the seat to gain access to the battery. The battery is right here and it is held in place with this bracket, and you just have the two terminals connecting to the battery. So before you can do this, of course, you need a new battery. And you can see it even before you remove it. The battery, it has a code printed on top, on the side, that give you the type of battery. It relates the size and the capacity and all that. Just for you to have an idea, I have here in my hand my old battery from my Yamaha WR1200, and in this case it was an YG7ZS. So all the battery bikes have the code that identify the model and the size and the type of battery. To replace mine, I choose this one from Bosch. Here you have the code YTX14BS. So this battery will fit the hole that we have on the bike for sure, and it is adequate to this bike. Now with a 10mm socket, or in this case with the Phillips head screwdriver, a big one, but I recommend you to use a 10mm socket, you can remove the negative. And you have now the battery disconnected from the bike. We just need to remove the bracket. The bracket is held in place with a Torx bolt, so you need a 6 Torx bit to remove it. Just undo the bolt and the bracket is now free. You see? It's a simple hook on the bottom that you can take. You need to take this top bracket also, because the battery won't pass. And here she is. It was a Yuasa. One more time, you can see YTX14BS. Now that I have access, I will take the opportunity to clean all that area. With everything clean, we can now insert the new battery in place. Right here. We can reconnect the bracket, so we have the battery secured in place. There it is, so the battery is secured. Now you can take the plastic covers to expose the terminals. You have the plus and the minus mark here on the battery, so you pay attention and you will make the connections fine. With the battery, we receive new bolts and these new rectangular nuts that you have to slide each one of the nuts to the terminal. It has a slot on the side and you can push them in here and in here. And with the new bolts, you simply have to connect terminals. You will start with the plus first and the minus, it's the last one to connect. But before we connect it, because we have some dirt on the terminals, I will clean them with a sandpaper really fast. With everything clean, we can now take the bolt and attach it with the positive secured. You can now install the negative. The procedure is the same. With a small flat screwdriver, you push the nut up, align it with a hole, and now you just need to pass the bolt on the ring and tight it. Let's try it. Of course, the clock and all the data, it's now off. We need to take care of that. Now that it is tested, we just need to secure this bracket here in place. Like it was. Install the seat. And it is ready. This was the video for today. I really hope you enjoy it and it can be useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notifications so you don't lose any of the new content. Follow me also on the social networks, on Facebook and special on Instagram, where I post regular updates between the videos. See you on the next one. Bye.